Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Alright, I got a quick rapid fire video for y'all today. I'm going to go over my main picks for this week, quote unquote, is just for Monday. I'll definitely be having more stocks throughout the week. So my first one is going to be KALY, KALY. They are putting their first step forward toward new cannabis cultivation spinoff deal with corresponding dividend coming next week, and they're doing that with Pura, a Pura subsidiary. And this is spinoffs are good. Spinoffs are great, and they're going to be being merged with Pura Cannabis's spinoff. So that's going to be awesome. Next, I am looking at GNUS. GNUS had a massive run because the CEO said they are going to be holding a conference call on Monday at 10 a.m. And it's funny because I was calling saying that in the morning, whenever it was right here at 2:30, 2:43, I was saying this would be great for a $3 call sweep. Boom, you have unusual option activity, $3 call sweep at 12, $3 call sweep at 12:25. That's beautiful. I am on the right track and I love it. So GNUS, I can see a run into the conference call, and then it's going to, depending on the call, it'll either rise or fall, but I do expect a offering coming soon, so I would not be along too long, but I would be looking at this for a great day trade on Monday. FLIR, it's another funny thing about options is I called this on Friday, actually on Thursday night. I was saying that FLIR, I'm going to place my first options trade, and I placed one at 45 call strike and a $50 call strike, and look at this right here, $50 call streak at the ask for before these around these earnings, which is freaking awesome. So for July 17th, even though their earnings is July 17th, so somebody expects this to be $50 within the next couple of weeks. I have my strike price at August 17th, but you know what? That's awesome. On the right path. People are in here seeing that it's going to happen. Awesome. And the Canaccord Genuinity increased them to a buy rating. They announced modified thermal camera specified for elevated skin temperature on Tuesday. And that's what kind of caused this to gradually rise. So that's awesome. Marky. That's my next one. Love it, love it. Conference call is coming tomorrow, 4:30 p.m. The estimate for the earnings is, I believe, negative 0.03 EPS. I can see it exploding past that. I think $1.6 million that's estimated, give or take. So I can see that going, exploding, running up into the earnings, and then me personally, I'll probably be holding after the earnings, depending on how high it gets. If it gets to 350 beforehand, I'm going to be selling my positions off Mark and then turning around and buying options of Mark at a $4 call strike, and I'll set my expiration date to like August or October, just for a longer play. And then CYDY, getting a whole lot of publicity. There's a article right now floating around the hemisphere and calling out people for being calling out CYDY for misleading headlines, and it's triggering algo selling. Tim Sykes has been mentioned in it. He's mentioned talking about being short and everything, exposing CYDY for being a pump and dump, and all that fun stuff. And this article is poised to be in CYDY's favor, and the people that quoted Sykes is Cyterion, and Cyterion has been sued before in the past. But with CYDY, I expect some volatility coming, and it's going to be awesome. Either if it's going to go up or down, I really don't care. You can play it both ways. I just like to play the volatility, and the way that the market leaves me, I am unbiased on whatever stock, except for Mark. Mark's my boo. But anyways, that's all I have for y'all today. Y'all have a very blessed evening. Stay safe, and I will see y'all market open tomorrow. Let's make that money, fam.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.